Try this again. Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dyna. Welcome back to my channel. And we are coming at you with another mukbang. I got some water with a splash of lemonade and some pumps of raspberry. I got a pepperoni pizza from Little Caesars, and I'm eating corned beef with rice and corn. What's up to my cousin? Hey. So yeah, before we eat, I'm about to pray. Thank you, Jesus, for the food. Bless this food. In Jesus' name, amen. All right. How's everybody doing today? I'm trying a new scenery. I'm like downstairs at a wall on some boxes. It actually works better. Shout out to Nigga Avocado. Yeah, he does the boxes thing, and so I tried it out, and it actually works a lot better because you can actually see my food. You can't really see my pizza, but you know what it is, okay? Yo, I got my nieces and nephews out here. Can you pass me the... Shout out to them. We're just having a little pizza party, I think. Go say hi, Julian. Come in. Go say hi to Uncle's camera.
Hey, are you following?
Shout out to... Come here.
Say hi, welcome to my channel. Go.
Hey, Jalea. Hi. Steva. We're out here eating.
Don't do that. Oh. Stop. You're being recorded. Sorry, Nana.
It's okay. You might hear some people crying in the background.
Oh, because this boy is crying.
Dude, let me a Coke, please.
You can grab my Coke. Where?
So I guess you guys know, I have a goal that I'm trying to hit. I'm trying to hit the 1,000K. 1,000. Damn! I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Jody.
Let your friends know to subscribe to my channel. Tell them, subscribe to my uncle's channel. Say subscribe.
Give me Jody.
No, subscribe, girl. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
So yeah. I'm not sure what I'm at right now. I think I'm at 174 subscribers. It seems like a very broad number, like what, 825? But it's possible. So yeah, don't forget to share this video, tell them to subscribe, get your boy to at least 1,000, you know what I'm saying?
Watch out, Jody. You bite your sister?
But if we can get more, we in there.
Jody, don't
okay, girl.
Oh.
Yeah. It's not like yours.
Yo, this you guys gotta give it a try. It's Trenta water. With this one, it has 8 pumps raspberry and a splash of lemonade. And it's only 85 cents.
85 cents.
What's up?
Wait, want to see my magic trick? Look. Wait, bring that.
This?
Hey,
No, you put this up there so he doesn't.
This is so bomb. You guys gotta try it.
Yeah.
So it's corned beef. You cook it. You put onions in it. Cook it. And then you add corn in it. Salt and pepper. That's an easy meal right there.
Where is it?
So yeah.
No, it's not.
Yesterday was very productive. We went to a housewarming party. And we went to a football game. But due to severe thunder and lightning yesterday, it was very horrible. They had to postpone. They had to cancel the game. It's crazy.
Uncle, somebody threw the trash at you.
Somebody threw the trash at you.
That was him.
I better stop.
Stop.
I'll eat it.
Wait, what? Look.
Answer.
Look. What you want?
Mm-hmm.
So you want some meat? Nah, there's more up there.
Have a seat. It's my niece Diva.
Hey, what?
No.
She was supposed to start a YouTube channel a while ago.
I know. Your makeup channel.
We're still waiting.
Since she was little.
But yeah, cause we'll post some videos of her on here. She had some funny videos growing up. How old are you? How old are you, Diva?
10.
Diva's 10 years old. She's
Hella tall.
like 6 feet tall. What are some things that you like to do? Mm. Mm-hmm. Hot.
It's
Right
right
there.
It's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I don't want to touch it. Just do it.
So she loves arts and crafts.
Yeah.
No, it's Jody calling me.
What else do you like to do? Mr. Leia.
I like it.
She loves to dance and she loves to sing.
I like this.
You like to floss? Okay.
She's like, I like doing this.
Show them. Show them. Show them.
Yeah, show them.
Show them what you like to do. Okay, girl. I don't know what that is, but okay.
Frisbee. Oh.
Shoot.
Shoot.
Oh. Oh.
Mm.
Oh, Shola. Okay.
Jaleel. Oh, like this.
Oh, Shola.
Yo, this pizza is pretty good. Yo, Little Caesars.
What?
Is this still $5?
$6.
$6. You know, times have changed, man. People need money.
Oh.
So Little Caesars up their prices, man.
One more won't hurt.
He don't want sausage.
Wow.
Mm.
Wow.
Ew.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna try it like this now. I'm gonna try doing my mukbang like this on a cardboard box.
You okay? Babe.
It actually worked. No, it has some raspberry in it.
He's right next to you.
Whoa. Hey, stop it.
On my way.
Alright, stop. I don't care.
Leo, he just stop.
Ew, Jody.
Yo, what's
Ew,
up?
Jody, oh, Jody.
Jody,
Oh.
Jody. Hey, give me my phone now. No.
Tại biết tôi tuổi.
I might need more rice, so.
No. You gonna start schooling on me, bro?
It has mayo in it. It's so good.
Yeah, that's good.
It is so bomb. I'll put the pizza to the side.
Ketchup would be better.
Thank you.
No, some people eat.
What?
Some people eat pizza with
Kiss.
Yeah, bomb.
Kiss.
It's so bomb.
No.
Yo, if you don't know, pizza is so bomb with mayonnaise.
Go.
It's bomb with ranch.
Oh, hell, let's go home.
But it's bomb with
Oh,
mayonnaise.
God, yeah.
so bad.
Ow!
Oh gosh.
My neck's lit up.
Yeah.
What's out? Stop it.
Come on,
My name is
Conley.
Jalila.
Hey.
How old are you? No, you're 3.
I am going to be this.
You're 3.
I was
Jody,
Jess.
son.
my mom said,
Your mom said you're 3. She didn't say you're 2.
Jess, I asked Jalea how old she is. She puts up 2. She's like, and then she's like, no, you're 3. Oh, sorry. And then she's
Yo,
like,
what is
"Oh,
all
my
that?
mom said
Give me.
I'm 2.
Yo, pass me that soda.
What do you like to do for fun?
Yo, my drink is done, so.
Okay, go. Get up.
So now we're drinking Dr. Pepper. If you can see my other video, try to do the diet, the 2 liter chug. That was a fail.
What?
There you go. There you go.
I thought we had 25.
Me.
It says it's 25 and 3.
Watch out.
"What to save it?"
Save what? Save the clowns.
Save the turtles. He's using a plastic straw.
I'm using a plastic straw, but you guys cannot come at me. Okay?
You're supposed to be saving the turtles. Right, Jalea? Save the turtles.
Fight.
I will save it.
Fight.
Oh my god.
Stand up. Stand.
Mm.
3-0.
Okay, get up.
Up.
Come, I eat those. Go. Go. Go, suck, uncle. He's like, no, he's too big.
Mm.
You're gonna go. Go who?
Whatever.
What?
Him? Jaheem? Jaheem?
Oh, there you go.
Ow!
I can't look at my brain.
Right.
Who is that? Dang, his face took up the whole camera. Oh my god, like, it still hurt. Oh, it hurts. I will
What
not.
happened?
I have a bad wrist.
Who's that? Comment down below.
Comment down below who do you think that is? Or what do you think that is?
I'm gonna look.
7,
Okay, next try, girl.
8, 9,
Good job.
You're stupid.
Yeah, I think, yeah. Alright. I'm gonna pause.
Ow. It looks like you, Diva.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, so, I think this is his phone number.
Baby's calling you.
Oh, no, it isn't.
No. Jump.
Yo, I'm about to go get my rice. I'll be back, okay?
I'll take over the video.
No, I'm not gonna go. Can you give me my rice, please?
Oh, dang it!
Just like, a scoop more.
1.5.
Yeah,
Step
1.5.
back with his phone.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. But, yeah.
It looks like a steak, but it doesn't feel like a steak.
If this is your first time to my channel, I want to thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to tell your friends to subscribe.
Comment down below.
Coming down the road.
100.
Oh my god, what is going on over there? No,
Down the road.
no, watch out. Here. Alright. Yeah, sorry guys. Gotta move this right here. Alright.
Wait, Leah, go sit right here. Wait.
Are you got a bad wrist?
Huh?
You got a bad wrist?
I got a bad wrist. Yes, I do.
No,
Alright, my food is back, guys. Watch out, you're gonna fall. Look at that steamy rice. Look at the rice is steamy. It's hot and steamy over here. Hear me?
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Alright.
Oh,
I'm gonna call on Tyrone. Alright, my next video is gonna be, instead of a mukbang, it's gonna be a MukSAng, okay? I'm gonna sing and Gonna MukSAng, okay? You know what? A little preview of what's gonna come, okay? We're gonna MukSAng.
Oh no, not going anywhere. No.
I should sing my intro.
No. What? Yeah,
Yo, what's Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dyna. Ooh, what's good?
Stop laughing. Stop laughing, Rasmus. Stop. Don't laugh.
It's his phone number.
Hey, okay, go.
I forgot. 206-841.
Bye. Hey, watch out. Don't pull.
What's your number?
Stop.
The last four.
Hey.
There you go.
It is
Just
Run, go.
stop.
4386.
4386.
Jody. Jody. Stop.
You can't get me.
Stop.
I got
Stop.
Yo, so if you got that number, call my boy. Give him a call. All right. Hit up his line.
Bye.
He needs a keto partner. All right. Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dyna. Hey! Yo, my boy got him.
Don't hit me up.
Call him. Y'all got his number. It's on the 206-841. You'll find out.
Hey, pass me
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
I'm sorry. I drank it all. Yo, let me finish this. But yeah, we're gonna do a MukSAng.
Hey.
This ain't a MukBang. We ain't just eating, my nigga. We gonna be singing, and then you know you gonna call this a MukSAng. Who?
Can they get me? Can they get me?
What in the world?
Hey,
What in the world? Oh my gosh, Lawrence is fat. I mean, he's still kind of fat. Alright, so that's gonna be my new intro. Come down. Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's that boy. No. Ooh! I told you to be singing. Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dyna. I think we should do some harmony on there too.
Hey.
Same old game, around the same old thing. Oh. Okay, Jalea. Say no, he was my name.
No, he doesn't.
Stop it, Julia.
First, I have to charge you for the movie.
Go play with Diva. Where are the boys?
Good pass.
Yo, Seahawks is playing Cincinnati right now. And I don't know what they're thinking. They're losing, huh?
Chica, I need my phone.
You play me? You play me?
Huh?
Go get into Lima's phone.
We're losing?
Ew.
Four little monkey jumping on the bed.
One.
Hurry up, food.
Alright. It seems like it's the end of the video. Alright, guys. I'll catch you. Yo, shout out to my baby right there. That's my baby. Alright, we're gonna give you guys the outro. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to your boy. Trying to hit that 1K, alright? So don't forget to tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your dad, your auntie, your uncle, your grandpa, your grandma, all your whole family, your distant family, your nearby family, and people that ain't your family, okay? Just hand out some flyers and tell them to subscribe. Alright? Shout out to everybody who's already subscribed. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all. But yeah, catch you guys on the next video. Okay. And we out. Well, we need a good intro like. Okay. Okay. And we're out. Okay, okay. And we're out. Okay, bye guys.